Good day, everyone. Good day, my followers, and good day, my viewers. I am Teacher Patrick by name. So today I'll be taking you mathematics, and this is a past question. Post UTME, UNIDEL, that is University of Delta Agbo, Delta State. So I'll be taking you this particular question, and the topic is indices. And this is question one of that particular question, past question. Without using table, evaluate 240 raised to the power of 1 over 5 times 0.09 raised to the power of minus 1 times 125 raised to the power of minus 2 over 3. So let's solve. Solution. So that's some basic things we're going to do. Okay, so now let's start with 4. Look at this. 243. Now, this thing means fifth root of 243. That's the first seed. You have to take note. This thing means fifth root. 1 over 5 means fifth. Fifth root of 243. And this is how you write fifth root. They have different type of roots. They have fourth root. They have square root. They have third root. They have 10th root. But for this particular one, this is fifth root. So this is how you write it. Fifth root, put your 5, okay, 2, 4, 3, open bracket, close your bracket, there's 1 here, so you have to put that 1 there, don't throw it away, okay, times, now what are you seeing here? You are seeing 0.09 raised to the power of minus 1, so what does it mean? It means what? Reciprocal of 0.09, so we're going to have 1 over 0.09, okay, times, now go to this next one, this 125 raised to the power of minus 2 over 3. Now what does it mean? It means third root of 125, that is the meaning. So it's going to be, put bracket, third root, put your 3 here, third root, the way we did it here, third root 125, close your bracket, raised to the power of what? What I see here? Minus 2. So put your minus 2 there. Okay. Now, what is the meaning of this fifth root? This fifth root means you look for a number that you multiply 5 times. That will give you 243. What is that number you multiply 5 times? That's the meaning of that fifth root. So a number you multiply 5 times, you multiply it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that will give you what? 243. And the number is 3. So we're going to use 3. If you multiply this 3 into what? 3 times, into 5 times, you're going to get 243. It means 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. If you have a calculator there, do it. You're going to have what? 243. Okay, so let's go to the next one. Put your 1 here. And the 1 is significant over there, but we have to just put it to follow suit. Times, now this 1 over 0.09. Okay, now this 1 over 0.09. So let's solve it. 1 with the original division sign. Now this is 0.09. If you convert it to fraction, this is what you have. 9 over this point here, you put it as 1, the rest you count it as what? 0. So let's, this one, 0, 0 times, now let's move to this part. This means third root of 125. What is the third root of 125? It means the number you, look for a number that you multiply what? 3 times, that will give you 125. And what is that number? 5. 5 times 5, 25 times 5, 125. Okay, so we're going to put it here. So the cube root of 125 is going to give us 5. Take note, open bracket, close your bracket, you're still going to put your minus 2. Very, very important. Okay. 3 raised to the power of 1 is same thing as writing 1. Same thing as writing 3 times, yeah, what do we do here? Take note, this is reciprocal. So since reciprocal, 1 divided by 9 over 100, it means this 100 is going to swap up. Or preferably you can still do it like this. 1 divided by 9 over 100. What do you say here? This is 5 raised power of minus 2. So in indices, when you see anything raised power of minus a number, you drop it down. So 1 over 5 raised to the power of 2. Okay, so we're progressing 3 times. Now, 1 in mathematics, when you use a division sign like this is going to swap. 100 will come up, 9 will come down. So we're having what? 1 times 100 over 9 times 1 over 5 square is giving us 25. Okay, so let's multiply. 3 times 1 is going to give us 3 times 100 over 9 times 1 over 25. Okay, so to make our work more easier, we can divide. 25 cancel here 1, 25 cancel 100 is going to give us 4. Use your calculator to confirm. So we have 4. 3 cancel 1, 3 cancel itself will give us 1, 3 cancel 9 will give us what? 3. So 1 times 4 times 1 is 4. 3 times 1, you have what? 3. And you go back to your option. The answer is what? B. So option B. And this is how you solve such type of what? Question. Okay? Involving indices. So always take note of those things. Take note of your square root, cube root, fourth root. So once you see such thing, just know that you look for a number, you multiply it into 5 times or 3 times or 4 times to give you that particular what? Number. So thank you very much for watching. I still remain teacher Patrick. For those who are interested in my online class, please, you are free to give me DM. See you next time again. Bye bye.